Hello friends, I welcome you all to this new video. Today I'm going to talk on Mango Bra Lift reviews. Well guys, this video will help you know whether this product is legit or a scam one. If you have not ordered this product yet, this unbiased review of mine will help you decide the answer to your question, should I go for the product or not? Moreover, if you have experienced any fraud with the product, watch our video till end as I'm going to share a way to get your money back. So guys, before I share the way, let's find out some essential details about the product. Here you can see this is the picture of the product. This Mango Bra is available in two different colors including black and khaki. Also this comes with different size options including A, B, C, D. So you can order according to your own size. Also the size chart is given here so you can see your size and order the product. This product also comes with true to size, which means that the size which is mentioned here, the product will be similar to that size only. The most highlighting thing about the product was its price. Guys, you will be amazed to see the price of the product. It's available only at $3. But the most important thing when you purchase any product is to find out its legitimacy. So for that we have researched on the product and we will going to reveal everything essential you should know. Before that, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel as it will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for your assistance. Moving further friends, I will show you product details. Now the fabric of the product, it is made up of polyester or nylon. Also you will find more details about the product here, like the bra style. It's a padded bra which is strapless. So if you don't want to wear those strap bras which cause discomfort, you can go for the product because it comes with its option of strapless. Also it is a 3/4 3/4 cup. It may be smaller. Suggest you choose one larger size. They have already mentioned here, like if you want complete coverage, you should go for a one size larger product. It is perfect for proms, evening gowns, low cut outfits and party dresses. The invisible bras with premium adhesive gently adhere to your skin, achieved in natural look in a push-up cups. It is strapless and invisible, like this bra comes with an ergonomic design and it is totally invisible. So a clear colorless bra are suitable for both light and dark skin tones, and it allows your natural skin color to shine through. It reflects your sexy and charming personality. You can find out all the details here, like the cup size of size A is 32A, 34A, and similarly other sizes are also given. About the shipping, they have mentioned that the products comes from China and the package will be arrived in 2 to 3 weeks. Talking about the customer reviews, well guys, I found that the overall customer rating on the product was 2.9 out of 5, which is a good customer review. Overall it's an average customer review, but I have found a lot of negative reviews where people have complained about the fitting of the product. They have said that it is difficult to stay on, at times would come off, which can be highly embarrassing if this happens at the time of any prom or evening party. Many people have said that it works great for them and it is stay on for about 12 hours. So I've received mixed review on the product, but overall guys, this product has received an average review of 2.9 rating. Many people have 36% of the customers, as you can see, have given 1-star rating to the product, saying that it is hard to stay. So overall I would say, like, if you are looking for a bra that comes with more coverage, this will not work for you because it's a kind of bra that reveals your inner sassiness. So make sure you buy the product only after seeing all the descriptions. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and found it informative. though the product is legit, I will recommend you only in case you are comfortable wearing such kinds of bras, because most of the people find it awkward. Now guys, if you are looking for the money back option, all you have to do is view the link which is given in our description box. Make sure you view the link properly. Please comment your thoughts on this video, like our video, subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Be safe, be informed. Thank you. Have a nice day.